3 ways, 1 website and 1 app to earn PayPal cash instantly. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and that's exactly what we are going to have a look at in today's video. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online and work from home opportunities and much more. And hit the notification bell also, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so before we dive into this, this is going to be a quick one, so make sure you watch the whole video here so you don't miss out on any important information. And you're probably not going to get rich with this opportunity that I'm going to share with you here. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you want to check out my #1 recommendation right here below at the end of this video, of course. But for now, let's get started to make some extra PayPal cash and instantly. Let's get started. Alright, so basically we are talking about 1 site and 1 app. We are talking about QMe. You can see it right here, qmee.com, qmee.com. And the 3 ways that you can actually earn PayPal cash instantly is that the first one is you share your opinion by taking a survey. The second one is that you shop. And the third one is actually searching just like you do on Google. And let's have a closer look here at the details. But before that, you can see here you earn real cash rewards. You earn cash, not swag, not points, but real cash. So you can see here that it has been featured on Mashable, HuffPost, MSN, CNN Money, Forbes. So it definitely has a good reputation, and I had a look actually and searched around Google and find good words about QMe here. So that is why, of course, I recommend it in today's video here also. So you can see here, the first one is that you earn when you share your opinion. You take QMe paid service on your laptop or mobile. So that is, you do it either you are on a desktop, your laptop, or of course on a mobile device, and you earn your cash rewards there. You share your opinion, so as you always do, of course, when you take surveys on brands and see your earnings grow daily. The second opportunity and the way is that you earn when you shop, so you get money saving coupons and deals on the items you're shopping for to help you save. We also show you price savings when we find you a better deal. You don't have to go to different sites to compare. With QMe there is no minimum cash out amount, so you can get your earnings at any time. How cool is that? And the third way is that you earn when you search. So you earn cash when you search on your favorite sites with a free QMe browser. So basically how it works is that they do have their own browser because they want the feedback and see what you're searching on, of course, and that is how you earn your money there. So you go about your daily searching online and you earn cash rewards with QMe results. Simply click on the result that interests you to collect the reward in your piggy bank. Here are some testimonials. You can see here all you have to do is take a few surveys and you earn money quickly. Let's see here if there was something else. There was something on Twitter here. Yeah, you can see here no minimum cash out, direct to PayPal. Sign up now to get cash rewards. So you can see that it has definitely good reputation here. It's available on both Google Play and App Store, which is always very, very nice. So if you have a look at how it works, there is a video. I'm not gonna play it here, so it's less than a minute. You can have a look at it for yourself when you go to the site here. But you can see here that it's more or less what I actually told you earlier here. With QMe you can get rewarded for your opinions, your searches and your purchases. So it is a free, easy to use browser and mobile app where you can earn real cash rewards for sharing your opinion and for engaging with your favorite brands. And there is the QMe mobile app, so you can get paid to take surveys on the go. You share your opinions with fun and engaging paid surveys, and you get a cash reward for each one you complete. So if we have a look at, let's go into the section, the FAQ here a little bit. Who or what is QME? I think we already mentioned it. What do I get when using QME? When searching with QME, it works in the background to show you relevant results on the left hand side on your screen. So it basically tells us more or less what we have been talking about earlier. Now, how much will I earn? There is no limit to how much you can earn. We offer you cash rewards for engaging with brands as well as for sharing your opinion by answering surveys. So the more surveys available and the more companies that wants to have their feedback, the more possibilities for you, of course, to earn there. And there is also actually a referral program, so that makes it 4 ways that you can make money with QME here. So really awesome that you can invite your friends there and you get a referral commission for that also. Now, how do I sign up? You can have a look at the details here for yourself. So here you can see that there is more questions about the search function, the taking surveys, and here are some general information. But you can see here that you get paid instantly, as I said earlier here also. How quickly does QME pay out? You can see here, however you opt out to empty your piggy bank, we do everything in our power to get you earning to you or your chosen charity right away. Okay, so that is more or less instantly actually. Now, of course, public holidays and systems outside, there is something that they are not in control in, okay? So it might be delayed during those days. But more or less instantly actually in overall, so and that is of course to your PayPal account. So I highly suggest you to go to QME.com and have a look at the details, sign up, download the app and the browser there and get started to earn some PayPal cash instantly with these 3 ways. Now, as I said in the beginning, you're probably not going to get rich with QME here. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you want to check out my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it and it helps a lot. You always find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations here right after I leave. Both are mine and both are related to make money online, work from home opportunities and much more. So I highly suggest you to subscribe to both, hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you soon.